B equals to 7A upon 2, right? So both B and C, you have got it in terms of A. Okay. So now what we have to do? Try A. A equals to 1. Will A equals to 1 work? Why? No. Why? Because it's 2 over here in the denominator. It will be 7 upon 2 then. Then it will be difficult. So simplest is we have to remove this 2, right? Then only B will be without the denominator as 1. So try A equals to 2. So B becomes what? 7. 2 gone. And C equals to 49 into 2. That is 98. Therefore the polynomial becomes what? 2ax square means ax square plus bx plus c. So 2x square plus 7x plus 98 equals to 0. Check if this answer is there in the option. Mostly 99% it will be there. But if it is not there, then you will have to go on trying a equals to 2 then 4. You can't try 3. You have to try even number only because there is a 2 over here. So 2, 4, 6, 8 you can go on trying, but mostly with 2 only you will get the answer. Okay, that was a real biggie. So this video only one problem. Do it again, solve it again patiently. Okay, download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. You will it will be useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.